Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Vipka Bisono SSTMT, Mr. George Andri Kusuma STM STN, Mr. Faiz Hamzah STMT, and Mr. Trianti Setiawan STMT. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here today on the final project presentation, even though we can meet in person. I hope this presentation can still go well. It's much an honor for me to speak here to present my final project research. First thing, I would like to introduce myself. My name is ARYO Junyanto with my NRP is 0617040017. I'm a final year student of Design and Manufacture Engineering Study Program. I have my contact number and email on the slide. The title of my final project is Design and Manufacture Machine of 3-in-1 Coconut Coil Briquettes, Printing Machine, Disc Mill, Mixer, Extruder. I have two supervisors who guide and assist me during the research. Your Honor, Mr. Vipka Bisono SSTMT and SPV1, and Mr. George Andri Kusuma STM SGN as SPV2. Next, I would like to explain the research background of my research. This machine is created to... The background of this machine starts from the Indonesia is agricultural country. The majority of Indonesian population works as farmer and breeders. One of the agricultural commodities is coconut. Coconut shell is one of the raw materials for making briquettes. In general, the briquettes production process is carried out with 3 different machines: a crusher, a mixing, and a printing machine. The design process will use the URJ method, starting from identifying machine requirements to concept selection, then a technical drawing and planning of supporting components will be made. After that, the tools are assembled and tested. You can watch the appearance at the end of presentation. For this problem, there are 3 points. These researches have several objectives, which are: these research have various significance for writers, industry, for institution, and for the readers. Research delimitation are choice made by researchers which should be mentioned. It's a boundaries that set for the study. There are 2 delimitations that must be mentioned, which are: the next one is the research flow chart. The research flow will be like this as shown on the slide. This flow chart contains the stage of the implementation of this research: field of observation, the problem of identification, study of literature, preparation of list of needs, making design concept. Then it's going to the selection of design concept, design and calculation, software analysis, Torsimax holder, to determine whether the face frame meets the stress allowable. Detail drawing, preparation, tools and materials, assembly, testing product, discussion, production cost analysis, and conclusion and suggestion. This is the table of list of needs. The description of these needs will be grouped into several criteria, each criteria consisting of several themes. There are 5 aspects, which are model function, manufacture, maintenance, cost, and machine operation. The picture below are the modeling of first design concept. The picture below are the modeling of second design concept, and the picture below are the modeling of the third design concept. The table below is the concept assessment matrix that shows the rate and score for each criteria in the design concept. The design concept with the highest rate and score will be the cushion concept, which will be processed to the next research stage. As can be seen, this concept one has the highest rate and score. This is the calculation of electric motor needs for extruder. The result of the calculation of electric motors needs is equal to 0.328 kilowatt. This is the calculation of electric motor needs for mixer. The result of the calculation motor needs is 0.72 kilowatt. This is the calculation of electric motor needs for disc mill and is equal to 0.733 kilowatt. This is the calculation of stress analysis on Fusion 360 software. The results on the frame equals to 11.37 MPa Pascal. This is the calculation of the cost of material of the device. The total is 5,867,000 rupiah. This is the calculation of the cost of fabrication. The total is 1,685,000 rupiah. The total cost of fabricate this device is 7,552,000 rupiah. Based on the research that has been done by the author, the following conclusions were obtained. Design a 3-in-1 briquette printing machine is using Autodesk Fusion 360 software. Making the machine began with the calculation of machine element from the selected design concept, and then making components that require a fabrication process, including cutting process, machining process, turning process, and welding process according to predetermined design. 2. From the test 3-in-1 briquette printing machine, briquette is obtained that the machine can produce 23.76 kilogram of briquettes in 1 hour, which exceeds the target of success, which produce 20 kilogram of briquettes in 1 hour. And number 3, the cost of making component is, the total is 7,552,000 rupiah. From the results of research that have been done previously obtained, number 1, it's hoped that the 3-in-1 briquette printing machine will be a reference for the development of the next machine, and the opener of the 3-in-1 briquette printing machine needs to be repaired so that the tool enter the extruder smoothly. This is the end of presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.